Hello everyone, welcome to the Black Generation channel. In the last tutorial I did an Andrax walkthrough and showed you how to navigate through your favorite pentesting distro. If you haven't watched that video yet, please click on the link above to go to that video. In this tutorial I'll show you how to be anonymous while using Andrax. I'll talk about VPNs, Tor, then AxSurf. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get down to business. Anonymity is one of the most precious and prized jewel while using the internet. It is a secret that must be closely guarded because its disclosure may result in undesired consequences for the victim. So, when it comes to anonymity, you should not turn a blind ear or eye. You must be vigilant because it's the holy grail. You cannot afford to lose it. It's very important. So, anonymity can be achieved in different ways. Some of them include using available methods, exploiting current situations and flaws, or inventing your own method. In this video, I'll be using way 1, which is using existing methods. Let's talk about VPN. A VPN allows you to use another computer server to access the internet. This means that while I'm in Zimbabwe, for example, I can browse the web from a server in New York. The internet will see me as a US resident, giving me access to US only content. Besides just giving you access to blocked content, a VPN can protect your data, allow you to surf the web anonymously, bypass government censorship and restrictions, and in some cases give you free internet. However, a VPN is not 100% secure. Its security depends on many factors such as its location. For example, if a VPN server is located in one of the 14 ICE countries, it cannot be trusted fully because 14 ICE countries spy on their citizens. They exchange data, and it's also possible that they impose and enforce data retaining policies. Another factor to look at is country jurisdiction. I wouldn't use a server from a country where my country is a jurisdiction. This is suicide. I wouldn't use a VPN that retains its logs. Last but not least, it depends on why I'm using a VPN. If you are just banking, you can just break all of the said factors. If you are into illegal activities, you want to consider the factors above because they will save you a lot of time and trouble. Okay, so for the demo, I'll be using Psiphon. Please enjoy. In simple terms, Tor is a network that wraps traffic in encrypted layers like onions in order to protect the contents of the data as well as the anonymity of the sender and the receiver. In order to do this, Tor bounces your traffic through computers known as relays or nodes. They are entry relays which act as gateways into the Tor network. There are exit relays, which act as the exits. Last but not least, there are the middle relays, which sits between the entry and the exit relays. Okay, so for the demo, I'll be using orbot. Please enjoy.
Where I'm at, right?
So AxSurf is an anonymizer that allows you to switch proxies. It's based on the ProxyDroid application. In this tutorial, I'll be using it to proxy all traffic through the Tor network. Okay, let's get our hands dirty.
Di mana itu? Yang masalah sih.
Because you are using Tor, a VPN or both, it doesn't mean that you are 100% safe. Your VPN providers could be rogue. You may land on a site that instantly de-anonymize you. Your device may be backdoored with a sophisticated malware that modify your VPN or Tor applications. Other things that may de-anonymize you are IP leaks, unexpected application crashes or shutdowns. Anonymity starts with what you are doing and how you are doing it. You must be aware of your patterns and behaviors because one day they will sell you out. If you have any questions, suggestions or a word, please feel free to talk in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your feedback really means a lot to me. Black Generation signing out.